Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of SmartTips. I'm Avi Hercenberg, head of partnerships here at SmartSuite, and today we're going to learn about the new side navigation in SmartSuite. So let's take a look how. So when you're within SmartSuite, you'll notice that we recently added side nav to SmartSuite. And so the way this works is you can have it collapsed by default, and so that means any new table that you go into, it will still be collapsed no matter the view type. Now, when you hover over, you can quickly see the different views. You'll have the public views above over here, the private views above here, and views will be grouped within folders. And so you can open folders and see the views within those folders and quickly click into those folders. You can also search for views up top over here or pin the view to be always open. The system remembers the default setting, and so if you pinned it and you go into a new table or new view type, you'll see that the side nav is still open as you switch between. As soon as you close it, the system remembers and that becomes your new default. And so you can open and close these very easily and maintain that default. You can also, as you hover over here, you can see if you're on a Mac, you can use Command Shift K and to open these or close these. And so that's it for this week's episode of Smart Tips, and looking forward for future Smart Tip videos.